Start para. This appeal is preferred by the aggrieved plaintiff in regular civil suit number 385/2004 against the judgment and decree dated 7/8/2014 passed by the learned civil judge Junior Division Kolhapur. The suit was for specific performance of contract and for perpetual injunction. The suit has been dismissed. The plaintiff feels aggrieved by the said decision and hence she has come with this appeal. Para. The facts relevant for deciding this appeal in brief are that the land gutta number 230/1 had measuring 1 hectare 30 acres situated at E Ward, Kolhapur was originally the government land and it was allotted to the Cooperative Housing Society by name the Bhoiraj Cooperative Housing Society, Jadhavwadi, Kolhapur for residential purpose. That land was converted in several plots. The plot number 24A at measuring 33 into 33 feet was allotted to the predecessor of the defendant number 128, namely Baburao Kamde. The society was formed to allot residential plots to needy people in low income group and homeless people. After getting the aforesaid land, the society got sanction loans in the names of its members from the Maharashtra Cooperative Housing Finance Corporation to construct the houses on the plots allotted to them. Deceased Baburao Kamde had also availed the loan and had constructed a house on the said plot. However, he could not satisfy the said loan and in the meantime he died. The plaintiff was in need of residential house. The defendant number 128 were the legal heirs of Baburao Kamde and they were liable to repay outstanding loan of MCHFC. It proceeded to recover the said loan by initiating auction process. Therefore, they decided to sell half open portion of plot number 24A at measuring 11 by 27 feet situated towards north side and the plaintiff agreed to purchase the same for consideration of rupees 20,000 para. Accordingly, an agreement of sale was executed between the plaintiff and the defendant number 128 on 25/3/1993. As per the said agreement, the plaintiff repaid the loan of rupees 10,000 of MCHFC on behalf of the defendant number 128 and paid them rupees 5,000 in cash. There was dispute between the defendant number 128 and the adjacent plot owner towards northern side, namely Suresh, regarding boundary wall between their plots. Thus, remaining amount of rupees 5,000 was agreed to be retained with the plaintiff for the purpose of resolution of the said dispute and the possession of the suit property was handed over to the plaintiff. The plaintiff subsequently resolved the dispute with Suresh and paid him rupees 5,000 and he in return executed an agreement on 4/1/1994 admitting that the wall between their plots will be common wall. By this way, the plaintiff paid entire consideration amount. The defendant number 128 agreed to execute the sale deed by completing other legal formalities as mentioned in the agreement. The recital of the agreement discloses that to execute the sale deed, the charge created on the suit property of the loan from MCHFC was required to be removed and the permission from society was to be obtained by the defendant number 1 to 8. They had taken the responsibility to complete those formalities and to execute the sale deed. According to the plaintiff, she was all the time ready and willing to perform her part of contract, but the defendant number 1 to 8 failed to complete the aforesaid legal formalities despite several requests. She therefore issued notice to the defendants number 1 to 8 on 25/11/2003, calling upon them to execute the sale deed. They failed to act accordingly despite the receipt of the notice. The plaintiff also issued notice to the society as per section 164 of the Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Act on 25/11/2003 itself, and its copy was also sent to the registrar of the cooperative societies. It is further case of the plaintiff that after getting possession of the suit property, she has constructed a house thereon by keeping open space of 5 feet width towards its east and west side. The defendants number 1 to 8 started causing obstruction to the plaintiff for using that open space. She has therefore come with the suit for specific performance and for perpetual injunction. Stop.